How's it going, guys? So, you may or may not remember my review of this awesome mega big power bank. This is the Baseus 33 watt output. You can still see the 33 on there. Still going strong, except for one little thing. I broke the quick charge USB port. Doing the old fumble in the dark, plugging it in, going to sleep. I broke the USB port out of it. Now this has done some serious cycles by this stage. It holds 108 watt hours, 114 watt hours. It's quite a serious power bank. So tonight we're going to fix it. The port only pops in and out, which is good. So all we need to do is pop it back in there and solder it up theoretically. It'll be good as gold. So I'm going to clean the tip of the soldering iron and dab a few little bits on the end of the port, stick the port back in, and then try and resolder it to the board and see what happens. Much better and cleaner. So I'm still using my little TS100. Use it for lots of things. Just the beauty that you can just plug any old power supply. So that's actually a Venom power supply for that little RC charger I got off Facebook the other day. You never know what we'll have plugged into the bench, so I just plug whatever I've got in and away we go. Otherwise I use the T12 station, but I don't have to get that out very often because this normally does the job. So I'll straighten these pins out and get some solder on them and show you what they look like before I put them in. Alright, so we've got some small blobs on there. Now we've just got to line those up and then gently solder them to the board without causing any damage. I know that probably looks nice and big on your screen, but that is only a USB port. So we'll get them sitting where we want them. See how we go. Okay then, we've got it plugged in. We've got another USB power bank here, which we'll plug this one into and see if it fires up. Oh, yep, light up. Didn't output anything, I don't think. Just try it to the phone we're recording on. Nothing coming out of that port. Okay. Need to get rid of that big ball on that side. And maybe try and connect the second one from the left. That's what I reckon we're missing. The thing about phone cameras is you can use them like a microscope so you can see a bit better. So I'll do that and we'll come back again. Okay, so sadly it looks like that hasn't fixed it. I'm not sure what I've done wrong. It all looks pretty well connected in there. One of the problem possibly is there was a bit of a big blob on the first try that probably went on top of one of these tiny little ICs, and that could have been the issue. Everything appears to be connected, but it doesn't have any output. It seems to have only reverted back to not having any rapid charge output, which sucks, because that's one of the best features about it. But anyhow, it's still going to work as a power bank. It's still got the ability to output out of that USB-C and these three USBs, 1, 2, 3. Obviously the orange one's probably dead by now. So we will just have to put the case back on it and run it again. Apparently they make a bigger one, which is meant to do 65 watt or something power delivery. So I'll try and get hold of one of them from banggood.com. I'll see if they'll send me one first, but if they don't, I will just buy one. It's all good. But this one has done some serious cycles. Like, when they send me things like that, I like to test the absolute crap out of them, as I do. And yeah, look for a review on this one also coming soon. It does USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB in, a couple of outs. And the cool part is when you put it in the USB-C port, it goes straight to quick charge 3, 9 volts 2 amps. Obviously it doesn't flicker like that, it's just a refresh rate thing. Yeah, cool thing. So I'll give you a bit of a video on that sometime soon. That's from banggood.com as well. I'll link it in the video description if you want to go and have a look at it now. Also link the big Baseus one. Just to reiterate, I poked that port out of that and broke it by being silly, fumbling my way through poking a cord in there wrong. After, that's pretty much the only port I was using, that one or the USB-C. So, like, at the end of the day, my own stupid fault. That's obviously a LiPo, big LiPo. It's 110 watt hours. This one's an 18650 unit. It's obviously quite a different size comparison. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll link these two in the vid description down below, of course. And yeah, it's worth a try, worth trying to fix. And hopefully you enjoyed the video and you'll enjoy these. Catch you in the next vid.